Hi everyone, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. Welcome to my channel. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. I'm just doing a quick little video today because what I did was I have been drooling over the books on thriftbooks.com and I look at them and I see really cool books but I always think, like the cheapest books on there are $3.79, and I always think, well, a lot of my books I have found for, way under that price, so, I should just wait. And so I always just talk myself out of it. I say I should just wait and see if I find it at a thrift store or whatever for cheaper, and I always talk myself out of it. So finally, after just always looking at that website because I'm signed up for their emails and getting notifications even on books that I've looked at that were out of stock. And then what you can do if they're out of stock, you can click a little button and they email you when they get it in. So I've even gone that far, but never ordered anything. So I thought, you know what, why don't I just try a little order? And the thing on to get free shipping on thrift.com, I believe if you order $10 worth, so it's pretty cheap as far as to be able to get free shipping. If you order $10 worth of books, then it's free shipping. I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe, if I remember right, that is how it is. So I decided to experiment and just place an order and see what I got, because the other thing about, that makes it kind of hard to decide is they only show you the front cover of the book. Like, this is all you see. So, and there's a little tiny description, but it really doesn't tell you, sometimes it says illustrated, but it doesn't tell you, really what is inside the book. So for that reason, I wanted to show you the books I got. And just if you are in the same position as me, kind of drooling over books on thrift.com, I can show you what I got, and maybe that'll help you decide whether you want to order or not. So I ordered 3 books. And I went for the $3.79 price because, also if you're familiar with the website thriftbooks.com, they'll have maybe 2 of the same book, and one will say good condition, and maybe that'll be a little bit more like $3.99 or $4.99 or something like that. And then they'll have another book, and then it says acceptable condition, and that's the $3.79 version a lot of times. So I went for the $3.79 version or price on all of these, even if they had one that was supposedly in better condition. But you know what I use my books for, junk journals. So does it need to be in perfect condition? No, I think not. As long as there's not writing throughout each page, I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. So on to what I got. So it came in this bag. All 3 of these books came in this one little bag, so a little package of little books. And what I got was a little bird book. This is a full color, easy to use, and it says golden books up here. So this is a little book. I will tell you the measurements of all of these because I thought you might want to know. So I have my ruler here. 4 by 6 on this little bird book here. And I got a Edith Holden book, and I'm going to talk a lot about this, but this one is 5.5 by 7, about 7 1/4. And this is a squirrel book. I kind of was interested in making a squirrel journal, and so I have some kind of creature related books and nature books, but not one dedicated to squirrels, and I really wanted one dedicated to squirrels so I could have a lot of really, great squirrel pictures. And so they had several books there on the website, and of course all you see is the front cover, so you don't know really what you're getting inside. So I just kind of winged it. At least this cover looked really cute, so I thought if all else fails, I can use this cover as part of my cover for a squirrel journal. And this one is 5.5. This is the biggest one, 5.5 by about 8 1/4. So let's talk about the squirrel book first. you can see the front and back cover. It's a paperback. All three of these books that I got are paperbacks. They do have hardback books too, but I got all paperbacks. I didn't really need a hardback cover for what, for my reasoning for for journal making. So here's the inside, and there's lots of cute pictures in here. So I really feel like I got a good deal, and just lots of cute images on every page. And in fact, I'm probably going to learn a lot about squirrels and in animals that are related to squirrels in this book. Like here's a chipmunk, and just all kind of funny looking squirrels in here that I never knew existed, because I live on the east coast of the United States, and I have been over to the west coast, but never, I don't think have seen a squirrel over there. So I don't know if they have, or other countries apparently have different types of squirrels that I've never seen. So who knew there were so many types of squirrels? But as you can see, I'm just showing you, every page in here has a cute little squirrel pictures. So I have squirrel pictures, and I will never probably ever need another squirrel picture. But I really love this book. I love the size. It's a great size. I can cut, these pictures. I can fussy cut. I can cut them into pieces, and just really, really, I think there's some gophers in here, prairie dog. So really, really super cute pictures. So that is the squirrel book. So I feel like that paid off, $3.79, and I got a really good deal. I have all the squirrel pictures I'll ever need. I don't think I need another squirrel book. So really cool on that one. And then the bird book, which I already told you the size of. Let me show you the inside though. I love little kind of like guidebooks like this. I always keep my eyes out for them, but they are, from my experience, few and far between. I don't find very many. So that's why I went ahead and ordered this little bird book, and it has lots of cute pictures in it. Also colored, and just all kinds of cute pictures in here. Bird houses. And even if these pictures, these pages come out, say they're not connected, say they come out as single pages when I go to put them in a journal, there's several different ways that you can join pages back together to put them in a journal if you're making like a little traveler's notebook or whatever kind of book. If you're not doing a single page journal, you can sew the pages together, you can put them together with washi tape, glue, whatever, whatever you like to do. So as you can see, just lots of colorful little bird pictures in here, really cute. And so this also, I feel like I'm glad I ordered it, and I have so many bird pictures here that and really pretty bird pictures. So I didn't go wrong with this. I got feel like I got a really good deal, even though I paid $3.79. And like I said, few and far between that I've ever found these in a thrift store. So that's why I ordered it. So cute little bird book. And then the Edith Holden book. So this is my Edith Holden book that I've had for a while, in its regular size, and I wanted to show you this paperback one. I read the size, I'm sure, and I didn't know really what I was getting when I ordered this, except for that it was a paperback Edith Holden book, and I felt like it was the same as this, but like I said, I didn't really know the size exactly, like what I would be getting. So this is the hardback that probably a lot of people have, and it's the one that everyone has, with the little, it goes by month and has a really pretty font and pictures in it. So that's the hardback, and let me tell you the size on that. It's 7 1/4 by about 9 1/2, so good size. But this is a cute little one, and I really love the size, and I would order, if I ever need another one, I will definitely not hesitate to order this size, because you can see it's the perfect size for a journal as far as the pages go. And it's exactly the same as the bigger book. So I won't flip through every page because I've done a flip through of the bigger book in one of my videos. It even came with this little blue, light blue ribbon here in it. It's just a ribbon, so nothing special, but I thought it was pretty that they maybe got it with this ribbon in here and they left it in there. So I just thought that was cool. And then, so, you know, there's nothing wrong with the book. There's no writing in here, just the pretty Edith Holden pages, just like the big one, but they're smaller. So I thought it was really cool to have the option of 2 different sizes. And so, you know, I don't know how many they have. They don't tell you how many they have really unless you go to try to order. Like, I think I tried to order more than one of these, and maybe this one, and it didn't let me. So maybe they only had one, I don't know. But they do tell you when they're out of stock, of course. So anyway, if you go on there and try to order one of these, you'll see for your own experience. But as you can see, it's the same. And this really, I'm trying to open it right now, and it feels like it's never been used because I'm having a hard time opening it. So that means, to me, that means like nobody ever even really looked at this book and opened it up to look at it really well. And you know, it's not worn at all. So I don't know if they had a $3.99 version, but this one was $3.79, I believe, and just really pretty colors and pictures, just like the bigger one. So I think it'll be cool to be able to use these smaller pages, and then I won't have to cut them up so much either. You know, I can use a whole page more often than with the, that's one of my favorite pages in here, the mushrooms. So yeah, so I'll be able to use more of these whole beautiful pages without cutting them up. So really, this might become my preferred size now because it is so cool. So, you know, I just wanted to share that in case you are wondering, and you've never ordered from thrift books, in case you are wondering what, you know, how the books are when you get them. Because like I said, all you see is the front cover, and if you don't know what's inside, you don't really know what you're getting until you get it. So that's my experience, and it was I would highly recommend it as my experience. The one I've had right now is great. I got my order really quickly, and I had no problems ordering or getting my order here. So it was an awesome experience, so just letting you know, and I will see you all next time. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching today. Bye-bye.